Reporting live. This is Ishibuka Ashun Shine. Now, today is December. Saturday, December 18th. Right there. Reporting live in Maliah, Africa. We have huge, enormous snowballs falling on people. This is an epidemic. We require ambulance, fire trucks, superheroes, Batmans, all you guys come out and help us because we have huge snowballs hitting people in the head and killing them.
We're going to show you where they are.
You got the snowball?
Well, say first that we're going to show you. Say first that we're going to show you. Say first.
Get the snow.
But say first that we're going to show you
I'm going to show you exactly in Mali, Africa, where these people are getting hit by huge, gigantic, yellow snowballs.